Hello guys, so for today we have a nice E63 and some are already guessing, but some stuff is missing out here. And we've had some people that made some funny statements that they can take transmissions in and out for an hour. If you're that guy, I mean, we can always hire you if you can do it in an hour, that is. But in this case, we have a little bit of a seki motion here on the rear main seal. Yeah, it's still the original from factory rear main seal, and it got a little sucked in, so we got a leaky situation. And this is kind of like the final result after the car being halfway disassembled. Just a little overview. So drive shaft, you don't have to take it all the way out, but we didn't want it to sit hanging in the car, so we just took it off. You gotta remove the exhaust, that's a given. There's a bunch of heat shields and supports and whatnot. There's the drive shaft. The front one, we just left it chilling on the transmission, but some of you probably noticed that this car has downpipes, so this is actually going to change. Oh yeah, so a typical rear main, and we're also gonna do we're gonna put the original cats back in. Apparently this car is going to the market now. And also the other thing we're doing is we're actually changing the oil separators for known reasons. These are the coolers, but the car is almost completely apart on the top side as well. We have a little bit left to do. Separators are still in, and we still gotta dismantle the rest of the exhaust on the top side so we can start switching the downpipes for the original cats. Thankfully the customer actually saved them when they were doing the downpipes, but this is basically the hole that you have left when you remove the front coolers with the throttle bodies, and it's just a rat's nest of cables and hoses and coolant lines and this and that. But yeah, I mean, there's still people that claim they do that type of stuff for an hour, so it took us some time. We're now one of those that claim that it takes an hour, so yeah, this is that. However, yeah, ALLDATA's labor time on this is a little crazy. They're showing about 20 hours or so to just do the front oil separators. We're not gonna do that. We're actually gonna time it, and the original Mercedes manual says it should be somewhere around 11 hours to swap the oil separators, but we'll see what we're gonna do. We're gonna time it, and we're basically gonna make our own time for that. The next section that needs to get out would be the heat shield on the top, so we can take the oxygen sensors and the downpipes out. And after that, we're just gonna move onwards with the new rear main seal, and we're gonna swap the downpipes, put the cats back in. Unfortunately, that's gonna make my life a little bit more miserable on the way back, because if some of you have ever taken that transmission out, knows how big of an obstruction those cats can be. And I still gotta disconnect the steering shaft, but well, it is what it is. It's just an hour, right? But I'll leave you with that, and we'll see. We might make an update on this one. But here you are, the famous rear main seal on 177s, and what it kind of looks like when you have to do that. There's a bunch of parts laying all over the shop. But that's it for today. Peace out, guys.